Shalom Aleichem to each and every one of you. I hope you're well. For those of you who were able to be in school this week, the blessing of being in school this week, I hope your learning was sweet, that you enjoyed every moment of school, that you thanked your incredible teachers who give so much of themselves every single moment of every single day that you're in school together. For those of you who are not able to be in school or you're not feeling well, I wish you were for Shlema to our students, also to some of our faculty, that I hope that they feel well and they feel Hashem's healing. I certainly look forward to seeing you on Monday in Mirz Hashem. At the same time, we end every single week with Ruach Assembly. And because I'm not able to be there, I thought I'd make a video. And it's so appropriate that at the end of the week, we have Ruach Assembly and we sing together on this particular Shabbat. Because this particular Shabbat is called Shabbat Shirah, the Shabbat of song. And we're going to be singing shortly, right before the Shabbat of song. Why is that? Well, we learned something so beautiful about something in this week's parasha. And that is, we know that the Jews left Mitzrayim. And I'm sure that you learned in your class that a couple days later, the Mitzrayim, all the Egyptians, started to chase them in their chariots and saying, no, you're not allowed to run away after everything that happened. And the Jews reached the Sea of Reeds, Kriyat Yamsuf itself. And they said, what are we going to do? And they start to yell and complain. And even Moshe Rabbeinu prays to Hashem and nothing happens. What's going to happen? Yet one person looked at it a little bit differently. Nachshon ben Aminadav. He looked around and saw everyone panicking and complaining and so worried and so anxious. And he saw Moshe Rabbeinu even davening. And he said, wait a second. Hashem had us in Mitzrayim. Hashem protected us from the 10 plagues. Hashem made a miracle for us to leave Mitzrayim. So Hashem must be involved here also, as we don't know what to do with the Egyptians chasing us from behind, and we have a sea in front of us. Hashem put us into the situation. He said, well, we tried davening, we tried praying to Hashem. What else can we do? And he realized that we can think about Hashem, we can feel and believe in Hashem, and then there's another level of doing for Hashem. And Nachshon said, there's only one thing I can do. That is jump into that water, because that's all we can do. And I know Hashem's going to come up with a solution for us, because that's all I can do. I'm doing my best. And sure enough, the Midrash tells us, the Talmud tells us, the sea splits, and the entire Jewish people walk through Kriyas Yamsuf. And after all that happened, and what they saw happening while they're crossing Kriyat Yamsuf, the Yamsuf itself, they sang a song. They sang Shirah. Because singing is an expression of appreciation and gratitude, of realizing that Hashem is involved in every part of our lives, and realizing how much good there is in our lives, even though our lives aren't always perfect. They're rarely perfect. So we sing. So what a beautiful opportunity we have now to sing together and to come into Shabbat together, even though we may not all physically be together. So with that, we start off like we always start off. Let's see if I can do this. Over here, and look at that. Everyone stand up wherever you are, whether you're home or you're at school. And we're going to face the American flag. Let me just make sure I got this right. Here we go. We're going to face the American flag, express our appreciation to Hashem that we live in a country where we can work, where we can live as Jews, where we can make brachot and live so beautifully and freely. And we face our flag and we say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I hope you heard me, because I'm a little bit far away from the microphone. And now we turn to the flag of Israel, where all of our brothers and sisters live, where our hearts are at. And we're so thankful that Hashem gave us a place where all the Jews can live together in their own country. And we sing a tikva together. Kol od ba'leva penima, nefesh Yehudi Homiya, Ulfatei Mizrach Kadima, Ayin letzion Sophia. Od lo avda tikvatenu, hatikva bat shnot alpayim, liot am chofshi be'artzenu, Eretz Zion Yerushalayim. Liot am chofshi be'artzenu, Eretz Zion Yerushalayim. Okay, you may all sit down. I'm thinking where you are now. Some may be in class, some may be home. It's so good to virtually be together, but I still feel like we're all together. Okay, we'll start with the first and last verse of Shalom Aleichem, welcoming and acknowledging the angels that surround us all week and protect us and watch over us. And now it's Shabbat itself, which watches and over us and protects us. So we'll start off with Shalom Aleichem. Oy Shalom Aleichem, Malachei Hasharet, Malachei Hasharet, Malachei Elyon, Mihi Melech, Malachei Hamlachim, HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Shalom Aleichem, Malachei Hasharet, Malachei Hasharet, Malachei Elyon, Mihi Melech, Malachei Hamlachim, HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Shalom Aleichem, Malachei Hasharet, Malachei Hasharet, Malachei Elyon, Mihi Melech, Malachei Hamlachim, Malachei Hamlachim, HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Oy tzeitchem leshalom, Malachei Hashalom, Malachei Hashalom, Malachei Elyon, Mihi Melech, Malachei Hamlachim, HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Tzeitchem leshalom, Malachei Hashalom, Malachei Hashalom, Malachei Elyon, Mihi Melech, Malachei Hamlachim, HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Tzeitchem leshalom, Malachei Hashalom, Malachei Hashalom, Malachei Elyon, Mihi Melech, Malachei Hamlachim, Malachei Hamlachim, HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Wonderful, that was beautiful. Now it's time to say good Shabbos. The sun is going down, it's shining through the trees. Another week's gone by, become a memory. So throw away your hammer, there's nothing left to do. Go on home and find the gift, it's waiting there for you. Oh, it's time to say good Shabbos, 'cause all your work is done. Gonna spend the day together with the Holy One. Say a special blessing on a cup that's filled with wine. Man and his creator, it's a very special sign. Your candles will be burning, fill your home with light. Singing songs of Shabbos so well into the night. Just throw away your hammer, there's nothing left to do. Go on home and find the gift, it's waiting there for you. Big O! Oh, it's time to say good Shabbos, 'cause all your work is done. Gonna spend the day together with the Holy One. Say a special blessing on a cup that's filled with wine. Man and his creator, Creator, it's a very special sign. You can spend time with your family, you study and you pray. Why not wait till after Shabbos so those nails won't run away? So throw away your hammer, there's nothing left to do. Go on home and find the gift that's waiting there for you. Oh, it's time to say good Shabbos, 'cause all your work is done. Gonna spend the day together with the Holy One. I say a special blessing on a cup that's filled with wine. Man and his Creator, it's a very special sign. All right. And now, our last song before we all go home and enjoy Shabbat together with our families. Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ve'al Kulam. Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ojavo Shalom, Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ve'al Shalom Aleinu ve'al kol ha'olam. Shalom, shalom, shalom Aleinu ve'al kol ha'olam. Shalom, shalom. Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, ve'al kulam. Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, ve'al kulam. Shalom Aleinu ve'al kol ha'olam. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Shalom Aleinu, Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, ve'al kulam. Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, Ojavo Shalom Aleinu, ve'al kulam. Shalom Aleinu ve'al kol ha'olam. Shalom, shalom, shalom Aleinu ve'al kol ha'olam. Shalom, shalom, Shabbat shalom Aleinu ve'al kol ha'olam. Shabbat shalom, shalom Aleinu ve'al kol ha'olam. Shabbat shalom. Shabbat shalom to you and your families. A good Shabbos. Enjoy. I heard there's a bit of snow coming along the way. If there is snow, although it's cold out, it's nice and warm inside. Take care and a Shabbat shalom.